Are you looking for the best plastic welder? In this video, we will break down the top 4 best plastic welders on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Polyvance 5700 HT. This is very much impressive and can work around problematic plastics like TEO, TPO, and polypropylene. The FiberFlex universal rod is given with the package that can be a real lifesaver in tricky situations. High melting point plastic like nylon radiator tanks can also be dealt with ease because this thing has a ceramic core element equipped with a 200-watt capacity. Whatever the plastic type may be, welding satisfaction is pretty much ensured. The Polyvance 5700 HT provides 8 different types of unique welding rods to suit your needs. These rods are meant to match the needs of every kind of automotive applications. To provide even more variety in usage, there are even 2 types of welding tips that can be easily swapped. At number 2. Master Appliance Pro Heat Series Plastic Welding. The Master Appliance Pro Heat Series Plastic Welder uses hot air technology to effectively fabricate and repair most thermoplastics. It features adjustable heat and airflow settings and an easy-to-see digital temperature display. The temperature can be adjusted from 130 degrees Fahrenheit minus 1000 degrees Fahrenheit in 10-degree increments. It also has a closed-loop temperature system that allows the welder to maintain a constant temperature while varying airflow or using specialty attachments. The included magnetic locking key ensures your settings won't change unless you want them to, even if you bump the buttons. This plastic welding kit includes 5 different kinds of welding rods, 5 of the most common welding tips for speed, pendulum and tack welding, and 2 user guides. The 6FT cord allows this welding kit to be used in a variety of situations, even when a power outlet isn't right next to you. The carrying case is sturdy and makes it easy to keep your welding kit organized and properly stored. It has a functional, dual locking system to ensure it won't fall open or allow dust and dirt to enter the case while being stored. The one-piece case and handle design also mean your handle won't fail you. At number 3. WELDY 3400 watts handheld hot air plastic welder. This upscale 3400 watt plastic welder gun is designed for the bigger plastic welding jobs you might take on, not really detailed precision plastic welding work. The air gun feels good in the hand and the two-handed operation is ergonomic and easy to use, especially since the gun is a bit lighter than it looks, at just under 7 kilograms. You can insert 3mm or 4mm plastic welding rods from either side, which is a good design point. You can see the WELDY in action here. At number 4. Go-To Home Plastic Welder. This is a complete set of plastic welding essentials. For professional or versatile use, this one set of kit is all you need. It will save you from purchasing multiple nozzles and rollers for different applications. The best thing is, all these items will arrive in a hard carrying case. It will make storing small items and carrying the unit around a lot easier. The quality of the welder and the assortments are top-notch. I repeat, this kit includes many items that only professionals need to use in a repair shop. For beginners or homeowners, only a basic and more affordable plastic welder will be enough.